What's up guys, Akim Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a review of this polisher, rotary polisher right here, as you can see in this package. So I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. Alright, so these are all the things that come inside. You can see we have one bit of sponge right here. And so we have more of them, different colors. We have the rotor right here. One more right here. All different sizes. We have a bit of user manual. This one right here as well. More, lot of these inside, all different colors. One more, the small one as well. This one, as you can see, some bit of, this is angle. You can see right here. Now we have the machine right here itself. Alright guys, so this is the machine right here, which gonna plug in to basically hook it up. Right here you can see we have the plug-in cable right here, very tall, and this is how it looks. Alright guys, so inside we have all different sizes of the brush. So this is the brush right here. So we have a big size, we have a medium size, and we have a small size brush, which is gonna fit all different sizes of sponge, which I showed you guys earlier on. So it look, the angle on it right there. Now we can screw on our blade, whichever one we choose. So I'm gonna choose this big size one. Screw it on right here. We have two different extra one right here. Right here we have angle as well that we can screw on with some bit of screws right here, as you can see, and the spanner right here. Alright guys, so this is the bottom piece right here, the sponge, which is gonna use to buff the car. So if we put this part like here, you can push this part onto this part like so. Now these are interchangeable, so you can change these pieces if we want. Now this stick onto right here, so it's gonna use quite fine. Alright guys, as you can see right now, we have installed the angle right here. So there are two angles inside. We have one angle over here, which we can choose, or we can choose this one. But before we install it, we have to pick out this blow thing right here and install it with this two screw inside. You can see with the Allen key that we have just installed. Now we're gonna try it right now to see if it actually works. Alright guys, so after I plug it in right now, this is how it basically looks. So how it basically works, we have the switch right here, which is gonna turn it on. As you can see, it's on right now. But right here, you can see the gauge, which is gonna turn it on faster. So when you switch this gauge right here, you can see it will eventually get faster. Now, what you need to do is you need to get your cream. For this video, I'm not going to use any cream, but please ensure that you use a cream first, basically polish the car. Then you're gonna it's in the car like this, and you apply your cream and it's easily to use. So this is a great product that you can use to basically polish your car if you're looking for one of those great machines. This is one of the great one right here that I will use and recommend.